Hi, this is Natasha and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before, where makeup is a passion. Today I'm showing a box reveal of Sephora items, as well as a shop called Akira online. I think that's how I say it, Akira. Anyways, I'll show you the name sooner or later. Let's start with Sephora. This is the eyeshadow thing from what's her name? Let's see here. Kat Von D's, before she resigned from her company. I had been wanting one of these for the longest. So I went ahead and picked up one. It was only $13. That's a very good price. Okay. So then while I was at Sephora, I had it ordered through Sephora. I picked up the one, and this is Lawless. Let's see here, let's open this. Now I'm gonna swatch this one because this here color is calling out my name. It's Tasha, swipe me. Tasha, swipe me. And that's how it looks. That's a good color payoff. Alright, so this one is the Violet Voss Sweet Violet. And this is what the colors look like. Now, isn't it just gorgeous? Okay, I'm going in for the purple. This is purple. And this is what it looks like. Let's see if I can get some light on it. There we go. This is how it looks. Really pretty. Alright, let's swatch this one. It's nice, but not as pretty as the purple one is to me. Alright, so we picked up the Natasha Denona. And this is what this one looks like. Isn't this just so pretty? Okay, let's watch this one. This one right here. That's not bad. Let's watch a little bit more. The pants seems loose though. This is what it looks like. Alright, let's do one more. Let's do the psychedelic. I think that's what it's called. Look at that. She does some really great palettes. Only one I don't like is the one that looks like a clown. And I think I bought it. And it looked like a clown. I just can't find that box of it. But I do believe I bought it. And I didn't like it once it came in. But I'm too lazy to return it. Alright, so this is Too Faced. Kitty likes to scratch. Meow. Alright, so this is what this one looks like. Let's try this one. This is calling out my name too. Alright, this is how it looks. Gorgeous. Alright, so I picked up the new fragrance from Rio de Janeiro. This smells really, really good. This is some good body lotion. And it deals with your what? Elasticity. But this smells so good. Let me see if I can open it with one hand. No, I can't open it with one hand. But it smells really good. And that's the latest scent for the body moisturizer. So I picked up some more of these. And this is Rio de Janeiro hand sanitizer. And this smells just like it's not the coconut smell, it's the other smell. They have 3 or 4 different styles of body spray as well as lotion. And this one goes with, what is this one called? They call it Brazilian Touch. But it smells so good. And so this was one of the last things I received. Well, I picked up the eyeliner Pat McGrath, but I needed another one. So I used to try to keep 2 to 3 spares on me, and I'm using the last bit of my other one, so I think this is my 3rd one. So I like to have it in the makeup cabinet. So if I decide, if it comes a point in time where I cannot afford it, then I already have it. That was something I learned through this African guy that I used to date. And he would always buy things in bulk, and yet he had no kids and no wife to speak of, but he would always buy it in bulk. And I said to him one day, I said, "Why do you buy so much when it's just you?" And he basically said to me what I'm saying now. If I don't have the money for it, comes one time, at least I already have it. So preparing before something like that happens, and I've been doing it ever since. So I buy more, and that's me and my son. So this is the Natasha's Denona 5-pan shadow palette. Let's see. I'll go with this one. I think that's gray. It's like a taupe grayish color. But this is how it looks. Isn't that pretty? Let's see here. That is pretty. Alright, so we'll move on to the I think it is called a Akira. It's a site that I came upon by accident. I was looking for something else. I came up on it. Oh, this is one of the last things from Sephora as well. The Barberry her, but it's can't remember the full name of it, but it's one of the signature lines from her. Isn't that pretty? And trust me, it smells really, really delicious. Alright, so let's start off with what I bought from Akira. Here's the name.